Small phone, big battery, and an even bigger price tag. Does the Vivo X300 FE live up to the hype, or is it just flexing? Meet the Vivo X300 FE, launched globally and in India, and calling itself a compact flagship. You get a sharp 6.31-inch AMOLED screen that's super bright, a beastly Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 chip, and get this, a gigantic 6500 mAh battery. Even the iPhone 16 and Galaxy S squeeze less juice into their small models. The cameras? A 50MP main and telephoto, plus Zeiss's fancy extender for serious zoom. And durability? IP68 and IP69 ratings mean it laughs at water. But here's the twist. The standard X300 actually has a stronger chip and better ultra-wide, sometimes for less money. Blame memory shortages for the FE's $960 sticker shock. Bottom line, if you crave battery life and one-handed use, the X300 FE is your new best friend. But if you want raw power for your money, check the standard X300 before you drop the